All right, both drivers are ready. We start in 3, 2, 1, fight. Both of these robots with these vertical drum spinners. You can hear them getting spun up nice and fast. Heading over to the corner there, Fat Rat trying to quickly approach Dragon Force, who's got apparently the other ear. Very kind of him to give him a piece of that bot. And you can see those little titanium wedges on the front of Fat Rat, good for getting underneath the front of the other bot there and getting him up into the weapon. A lot of times, like, everybody will have a wedge of some sort on at least one side, and a big part is getting that wedge under your opponent to get them off their wheels or to get the weapon apart, whatever you have to do to give yourself an advantage. And you hear that vertical spinner just grinding away on the steel floor that we use. Gives you an idea of how powerful that thing is. Hopefully he'll be able to right himself by hitting a wall, hitting his opponent, something like that. In the meantime, it's very hard to drive this upside down. Fat Rat holding off. He's got his weapon turned off, just kind of driving around, trying to take advantage of the situation. Maybe lining up, almost managed to push his opponent into that red spinning hazard there. There we go. Gets a good push on him, bounces him off against the wall. Now holding up against the wall, you're allowed to pin and hold your opponent for up to 10 seconds, and then you have to release. Hopefully somebody's counting. 2, 1, there we go, and releases. And still Dragon Force is upside down, making a heck of a noise. This time ending up on top of his opponent. So now that weapon's doing a little bit, but it looks like there is a titanium plate of armor on the top of Fat Rat, so not able to do much other than just grind away. Fat Rat taking his time, slowly and methodically, getting over there, bounces into the red hazard, trying to make his way around, and he's trying to chase this squirrely little Dragon Force. Difficult to get to. Jacob's just having a heck of a time, really enjoying this here as Baxter with Fat Rat gets him pinned into the corner. Once again, getting under the robot, keeping the weapon off for now, just using the wedge on the front, directing his opponent around. Hopefully be able to get him to damage himself, or at the very least, to ensure a victory is, if it comes to a judge's decision. And there we go, Dragon Force is back on its wheels. All right, we got a chance here. A little bit worse for wear, but it's still holding together. Weapon works, drive works, and Fat Rat is holding him in that corner again. Once again, he has 10 seconds. He can hold him there. And release. All right, so got to give him a chance to get to the corner. There we go. And now Jacob trying to get control of it. These bots are really actually quite difficult to drive, even though it just looks like a remote control car. There's nothing straight or square about these things, especially after you start getting a bit of damage on them. So difficult to control them even at the best of times. And so for the rookies, a lot of it is learning how to drive your bot effectively. And release. So 3, 2, 1, and time is up. Let's hear it for both of our competitors, Baxter and Jacob. Well done to Fat Rat and Dragon Force. And it's decided the win goes to Fat Rat. Congratulations, Baxter.